Good morning. Okay, so we are going to go live here. And I am Tiffany Rothe, your international fitness and personal development coach, showing up for you so that you can live a fit, fierce, and fabulous life forever. Today we're going to do some stretches for the back using the resistance ball. Now, I love this ball. It is so amazing. If you don't have one, go get one. Dig it out of your garage. Do what you gotta do to get this ball because it gives you the best stretch for your back. So, also your back, your neck. You guys, I'm sweating already because I did my workout. I'm still wet. We did a boxing and ball workout on the Tiffany Rothe Fit Club. That was fabulous. But it is Friday, and I want you guys to understand that stretching is an important part of fitness. It allows you to be fabulous for years to come because you are flexible. You want to be flexible. So today we're going to do some stretching on the ball. They're my favorite stretches. You're going to stretch the back of your neck, the middle back, the lower back. We're going to open up and release, and it's going to feel amazing. So you're going to start off with this ball, which has a weight, and bring it behind your head like that. So as you do that, you open up, you lift your chest up, but you open up the mid-back, your rhomboids. Put the elbows back and look up. So just hold it right here. This is giving your signal. It's a beginning arch for your back. So just hold it open like that. Hold it open. Good. And then arch your back like that and then contract. Stretch it all the way up and then come down. So you're gonna bring it up and bend it, open up and down. This is so good just to get the shoulder blades to open. And two more like that. And one more. And now we're gonna start with the neck. So put it behind your head and just look up. So now you should feel your shoulders opening up. If you have it resting here, just look up a little bit. So the back is resting here. Elbows are out. So you're feeling it all across your shoulders and opening up in between your shoulder blades. Your rhomboids are the muscles you're stretching out. Lift up, breathe there, just hold it. This is really good for your posture. And then stretch it up. Good. So you don't, woo, that was good. You don't have to hold your stretches for a really long time, but you do have to hold them. So now you're gonna roll the ball between you, so start to work the shoulders, right? Hold it like that on your back, got it? All right, and then look up. Look up. And now you're gonna fall down, head down, bend the knees, and hold the ball. See if you can lift it. Hold. Release in the back. And roll it up slowly. Oh my God. Should we do that again? It feels so good. So I'm gonna turn so you can see me. Bend the knees and just roll down like this. Bend the knees, head down, and then grab the ball, lift it up. And this helps you to release the vertebrae, stretch your shoulders, and drop it, roll it up. Gives you like that high feeling. Stretching, it helps you to release some endorphins that feel amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust this camera over here so you guys can come more down to the floor with me. And now we're gonna release the back by opening the thighs. So first you open your thighs out like this. Now, you know, one of the things that makes your back tight are your hips. So you're gonna open the knees like that. Just kind of loosen it a little. Hey. And then slide your hand on the inside like that. Open the knees and push them back. So length, oh, this feels so good. So just push them back gently. Oh my God, you guys, it feels amazing. I'm sorry. It feels so good. Hold it back. So you're sitting on the ball so that you don't have a lot of weight on your knees. It's easy on your knees, but you can actually get into the hips and push it back. So look, my toes are out, my knees are out. Just keep opening the legs because we store so much tension in our hips, you guys, and then we just kind of roll side to side. So that's the beauty of the ball. You can be low like this and it doesn't hurt your knees. Keep pushing back, open your legs a little wider, stay with it. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. So my head is up, my spine is up. Here's Niko. Say hi. He's looking a little raggedy, he needs a haircut. I have to cut him because he won't let me take him to the groomer. But he wanted to come in and be with us today. All right, we're gonna drop the head down. Side to side. Hold it side to side. Head down, hang over. Let your head relax and open the knees. Stay there. Oh my God. Okay, so now you're gonna keep this arm straight and push it. So push your knee open as much as you can and see if you can straighten your elbow. Can you straighten your elbow? Sometimes your arm might be bent like this, but if you can straighten it and open this knee, that's good. So now you're getting into the hip and the lower back. Now take your head and turn and look away. Hold. And side to side, roll it. So if you ever go to the gym, save this video and do this after a workout, you're gonna feel amazing. Push it back, hold it. Oh, I have to share something with you, hold it. Side to side. And I saw this, I don't know if it was a TikTok of a dog, but you know that face, he was like, he was like, I'm just one bad neck pillow away from disability because, you know, if you don't stretch when you get older, like the smallest thing can put you out of whack, right? So you want to keep your body really flexible. All right, so we're gonna get into the back right here. So we opened up the hips a little bit, right? Now we're gonna walk out. And so keep your head up and your lower back is on the ball, you guys. The lower back is on the ball. Okay, now you're gonna just roll back over the ball and let your head release and arms release. You're in here now, Niko. Put your hands on the ball. Okay, so we went back. We're going to go forward again. Open the knees. And then you're going to drop your head down and your arms down in the middle. Hold it. So your elbows are in this time. Side to side. this time we're gonna straighten the legs so that they were more bent before. So walk out and lean back, straighten the legs out. So this opens up your hips across the front, okay? And then you're gonna lean back and stretch your arms. Oh, it's my favorite stretch in the world. Hold it. I'm getting kisses as well, like this is amazing. Oh. This opens up your whole back, gives you an oxygen facial, releases the tension in your hips. Oh. Hold it. Yeah, bend it. So I put olive oil on my legs, like for motion, and then plus the sweat. So Niko just thinks I taste like a sausage or something. All right. Okay, so that should feel really, really good, you guys. Now, we're gonna bring your feet apart, bring your hands behind you, open up the shoulders, lean forward, and bring the arms up as much as you can. Go back. So this is a good facial for you. I want my whole booty out, so hold it here. Let your hands go back. Open the knees out to the side. And hold it there. And you can kind of play with it. Slide down the front, grab your ankles, and then pull yourself down. Then hold it forward. Now you're going to grab your ankles and we're going to lift your butt up and stand up. Oh. Bend the knees, side to side. Hands come up the thighs, press them up, roll up. Woo! Oh my God, that's better than drugs, all right? It is better than drugs. How do you feel, you guys? I feel amazing. All right, so if you like that stretch, send me some love, send me some hugs, and share it with a friend. So this is a great stretch for you to take and do after your workout. You want to be kind of warm before you did it. I already did a workout today. So good for your back. I actually feel taller right now. I feel taller. Takes all that tension out of the lower back, the mid back, from all the forward bending, so you lift yourself upright, shoulders back. You increase your blood flow, so you just feel looser. Oh my goodness, hey! All right, so if you love that, you guys, share it with a friend, leave me a comment, let me know if you want more stretches like that. I appreciate you, I love you. Remember to follow me. This workout will be on my Tiffany Rothe Workouts YouTube page later on the day, so if you want to go see it from your TV and have a better view, head over to the Tiffany Rothe Workouts YouTube page. All right, I love you guys. Have a beautiful Friday. All right.